Okay, how often do you guys like to change up your planner? For me lately, I've been finding myself doing it about every other month or so. Reason being is I've been getting these gorgeous subscription boxes from Jane's Agenda, and I will link to my latest unboxing down in the description below of their December box. It was so gorgeous, and this gorgeous snowflake planner cover came in the box, and so I decided for the month of December, I wanted to change up my planner. I've been using the same cover, another Jane's Agenda one that I previously purchased for a couple of months now, and I'm ready for something a little bit more festive and more wintry. So I thought this would be perfect. So I wanted to kind of show you guys what I do when I change out my planner, because it's with the discs, it does give you a great opportunity to take everything off of your discs and put stuff on. Think of it like cleaning out your purse, right? Like it's a great opportunity to go through, get out those old receipts and clean everything out, and then only put the stuff back in that you actually are using. I personally find that sometimes I will add sections into my planner and then I end up not using them. So why waste that space and lug that around when it's not even being utilized? So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This is Beloved Plans and my name is Amy, and this channel is for anyone who is looking to get more organized in their finances, their productivity, their business, and day-to-day life. So I can't wait to show you guys how I'm going to be putting together my planner for this month. Okay, so this is what the cover was that I had on before, which was gorgeous for fall, and I had navy blue discs on. So now I'm going to be switching, as I said in the intro, to this snowflake cover. I also have this really beautiful dashboard that I'm going to be putting in there, probably in front of my December spread. And then I have some sections from the planner that I had previously put together that I took out that I do want to make sure I include as well. So I'm going to, first thing I like to do when I'm doing this is I like to get my discs on my cover. So what I love about the disc bound system is it is so easy to switch out the covers and the contents, or as I call them, the guts. And for me, that's awesome because I get bored very quickly and I feel like my needs are constantly changing and I love trying new things. So instead of me having to constantly buy new planners, this is a great system for me. All right, so I've got those discs on, and then now I'm gonna put my back cover on. I just wanna make sure I have it facing the right direction, as it looks like they are darker on one side. And then I just pop these on. Oop, that one came off altogether. Once you get a few things on, then it goes on so much more easily. So as I add papers, these will go on a lot. They'll stay on better. Oh, and then I just knocked two of them off. See this? Oh, and then what's happening here? Oh my gosh, it's like a shirt when you are buttoning it. You know what? I'm gonna wait and put this back cover on. This is like real life here, you guys. I'm gonna wait and put this one on until I get some papers in there. I think it'll just be easier. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, so now we got our discs on. Now they're standing up nice. I'm gonna go ahead, and I love having this pocket. You can just get these at Michael's or Joann's or on the Happy Planner website, and this one's been really well used, as you can see. Changed it out a lot, but I love having that. Like if I get papers or something, instead of just throwing them in my purse, I'll put them in this pouch. Okay, then I have my brain dump, or my inbox here, as I like to call it. I like to have this right in front so it's easy for me to get to. All right, and then these are some future planning pages that were in the December Jane's Agenda box. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those in. So, and it has the holidays for 2020 and 2021. That will be nice to reference as I'm doing a little bit of future planning. Okay, so now I'm just gonna kind of go through and see. I do need to add my December spread into here. I think I'm gonna add in this dashboard now. This will be a nice little divider. That guy in there. Now they're starting to go on much more easily just because we have more things on the discs and they're more sturdy. I could probably put that back cover on now, but I'm gonna wait. Okay, so now I'm gonna get out the planner that I'm gonna use for the month of December. So I'm just gonna pull that month out. I'm gonna switch back to a horizontal spread for the month of December. This is an 18-month planner that I got, and I've been kind of bouncing back and forth between a few different layouts. So I'm gonna go back to horizontal for the month of December. So I'm gonna just pop this out. And we'll put that in. We'll make those seems to work better. Okay, now we've got December in there. So the next section I usually have is my budgeting section. So I am going to grab my December budget section, which is right here. I'm gonna put that in. There we go. Got that. Then I do have some social media things. I gotta show you guys this gorgeous dashboard that my friend Michelle over at Plan with Michelle made. I'll link to her channels. She has a really adorable shop of a whole bunch of planner printables and different, or not printables, but rather inserts in her shop. You guys should totally check it out. I ordered some social media inserts, and she was so sweet and made this gorgeous little dashboard for me. It says Beloved on this vellum and then plans on the cardstock underneath, and I just love it. So thank you so much, Michelle. You are the sweetest, and it's really just fun to see that, you know, you took the time to make something extra special for me. All right, then we've got our tracker. Put that in. Now it's getting easy. This is my, so I'm gonna put this in front. It's just my little social media divider here. Oh my gosh. Okay, and let me just show you guys a little bit of reality here. A couple more social media things. Okay, so wellness. I'm just gonna have a moment of real here. This is October in here. So let's just look. Oh look, nothing happened as far as my wellness goes in the month of October. So you know what that means? That just means that I am not going to put a wellness section in here. It's December, the gyms are closed here. There is like barely anything I can do for wellness. So what I think I might actually do is I have my Happy Life journal, and I've been trying to get more regular about writing in here. And like every time I think to do it, like this is not where I need it to. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out some of the pages from here that I've been trying to use to like write on. So see, I mean, I've been kind of sporadic in different things, but that's okay. It's better than nothing. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take out the next few pages and then put them in my day-to-day planner. I'm hoping that maybe that will keep me writing in it more, possibly. So let's go ahead and just do this whole section here. Because then if it's downstairs where I'm using it more, I feel like I might be more likely to write in it, and then I can put it back in here as it's finished up. So I'm gonna give that a try. That's what I love about this system, is that you can totally try different things till you figure out what works. So for me, I know this is about as much wellness as I'm gonna be able to do in the month of December, which that's okay. You gotta give yourself grace. So I am gonna take my little wellness dashboard out though, so that I have a divider in there. Because when I see that at the top, it reminds me, okay, I need to like not forget about my wellness prep. And then I'm gonna pop these in. And that will be my attempt at wellness for the month of December. All right, I think that is everything. What I have left in this November one is my budget for November. I still have to close that out, so I'm gonna leave that in here until I'm ready to close that out. So now we can finally put our beautiful little back cover on here. And then, not super loving how you can see that. So I'm going to grab one of these pretty dashboards that are from Jane's Agendas box. I'm gonna see, oh, see, that looks a lot better. There's also some really cute buffalo plaid, and this scene is really pretty too. I wonder how that would look. Like that. Let me do that one. Let's see how that's looking. Oh, that's pretty. The back is fine because it's white. I think I like that. Let me see how the buffalo plaid looks. Oh, that's cute too. I think I'm gonna do that. It's a little less busy than that scene. So I'll just take these two guys out. There we go. All right, so there we have my planner for the month of December. This is my catch-all. I do need to still put my dashboard in here for my current spread, but I will get that done once I get those decorated. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. I am more than happy to always answer any questions you guys have about Happy Planner or the planner systems that I'm using and incorporating into my different Franken planners. So be sure to leave those in the comments below, or you can reach out to me via email. Don't forget to click that subscribe button or give this video a like if you found it helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.